Hello everyone, and welcome back to today's video. We're going to be looking at the Fantastic 4 MT5, an automated trading robot built for MetaTrader 5 and designed specifically around trading gold or gold USD. But before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, very important, and this is gonna be a short video. As you can see on the screen, yeah, one important point: Fantastic 4 MT5 is no longer available for new purchase on the MQL5 marketplace. The product page states that existing customers, however, may still install it through their previous purchases if they have activations left, but is currently not open to new buyers such as myself. So we'll not be able to test and review this EA properly. So this video is not a recommendation to go out and purchase it because it's not here on their page. It's more of showing you what the EA is here. Now, if you have any questions about the products, please contact the seller via private messages. And this should take us to the seller's page. Fanyang. I'm going to message him now. If we can get that out. Now, all the former subscribers or viewers, if you know you have this EA in your portfolio, kindly comment and let us know how the EA works and whether it was a worthy purchase. Let's go over to MQL5 so I can show you. We come over to Tools, MQL5 Market, Search. Fantastic. You can see it does not exist on the page. Only adaptive gold scalper, Zeus, and so on. Now, after much research, I'm trying to find more on this Fantastic 4 EA, and nothing could be found. I decided that it's probably best if I let you know. So if you see it out there, let me know before purchasing or before installing so I can help you check it out. Just drop a comment in the section. Just drop a comment in the video and let me know where you found it. And for those old buyers who already have it, let us know in the comment section whether it was a worthy buy. But in the meantime, you can check out my other videos on gold scalpers, gold EAs. I've done lots of videos on gold EAs. Some worked according to the claims, some were conservative, some didn't work. Just check out my videos and you'll find out which one suits you more. And that's everything on this Fantastic 4 MT5. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the next EA you would like me to review. So before we end this video, let's go over to MQL5. At least let me show you a useful feature before you close the video. If you're wondering how we test our strategies, let's come over to View, come to Strategy Tester, and come over to Settings. You can see over here the EAs I have reviewed over the course of the channel. We have Oslomo Gold, Rex Gold. This is not a recommendation. Kindly check out the videos Gold Grid, Gold Snap. For our gold traders out there who have done many gold EAs, Goblin Golden Greedy EA, can check them all out and test them. Watch the videos and let me know what you think about them in the comment section. You can also check their backtest results. This is from a previous EA. And check the backtest results and check the balance and equity curve. And that's everything, folks. Don't forget to check the link in the description below for the free MT4 and MT5 Forex robots with built-in indicators and candlestick patterns. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.